We're about to light up 9 of the Pyro Junkies 5-inch shells. I don't know what the effects are. We're just excited right now. I'm not even gonna read them for you. But these are the 9 shells out of the 24. And this will be the first time I'll be actually looking into this. Fusing it up.
Well, this one's gonna work out.
It'll work out fine. If you fuse them up like that, yeah, all of them should be
This one,
able to.
this one ain't gonna reach.
Too short.
Yeah. So, if anything.
All right. Just let me know. Nope. Oh shoot! Hey, those are not bad at all. No. All right, the last 3 here, or 2. Last 2. Hey, it goes up there too.
Yeah.
Color's nice, the thump is nice.
Yeah.
So there are difference within a 5-inch and a 4-inch.
A little bit.
Yeah,
Much, but a little bit.
but it makes a difference.
I guess you really just